Once the 4 screws are out and they move freely, you can remove the head by pulling it all together from the motor of the pump. To replace it for your new head, just grab the new head and repeat the same procedure, making sure you align it to where the pressure switch is going to reach the wires. So it's got a little bit of a guide that matches the same guide as the pump. Once that's aligned, you will notice that your wires for the pressure switch are going to be facing again the same spot where you took it before. You need to remove the cover and tighten the screws.